welcome you all on my channel IELTS at Home. This is Navpreet Kaur, your host guided mentor. In my previous video, we learned how to make simple sentences in present form, and in today's video, we will learn how to make simple sentences in past form. To watch my previous video related to grammar, you can click on the I button on your screen and can find the link of that video. And I'm also on Facebook and Instagram. You can find the link in description box below. So without any further delay, let's start today's video.
As I mentioned in my previous videos, what is simple sentence? Nothing is explained about the work done by subject are called simple sentences. There are 4 types which we discussed earlier: affirmative sentence, negative, interrogative, negative interrogative, and all these 4 sentences can be formed in present, past and future. So let's learn how to make these sentences in past form. The identity of simple past sentence in Hindi is tha, the, thi at the end of the sentence. And you can see the rules regarding all 4 types: affirmative, negative interrogative and negative interrogative on your screen. Let's discuss them in detail. Firstly, start with affirmative sentences in past. Rule is subject plus was were plus object. You can use was or were. The rule of using was is to use it with singular like he, she, it, singular noun, name, and also with I. And were is used with plural, we, they, you, or plural noun. You can see the example. I wrote them in Hindi as well as in English, so you can understand them better. Firstly, in Hindi, हमारा घर पास था. Our house was near. I use was with it because our house is singular. There is one house. We are talking about one house. मैं भूखा था. I was hungry. With I, we can only use was. वह अमीर था. He was rich. He is a singular, so we use was. वह स्कूल में थे. वह स्कूल में थे, it means they were more than one. So they, that is a plural, we use were. They were in the school. तुम हाजिर थे. हाजिर means present. तुम, you, and it is in the past because there is the at the end of the Hindi sentence. You were present. Because you is a plural, so we use were with it. आप शरारती थे, you were naughty. So here one main thing is that the subject doesn't perform any action, and another thing is you need to keep in your mind that the correct use of was and were with correct subject. In negative past sentence, you just need to put not after was or were. Here, keep in your mind with what subject you use was and with what were. See the example. हमारा घर पास नहीं था. हमारा घर means our house. That is singular. So we use was, not near. And after was we use not because it's a negative sentence. मैं भूखा नहीं था. I was not hungry. वह अमीर नहीं था. He was not rich. वह स्कूल में नहीं थे. It's plural, so we use were. They were not in the interrogative sentence. The rule is was were plus subject plus object then question mark. You can also start these question with WH family. Why, who, when. So see the example. क्या हमारा घर पास था? Was our house near? Because it's our house is singular, we use was, and according to rule we need to use was in the starting of the sentence. So was our house near and then question mark. क्या मैं भूखा था? Was I hungry? मैं. So we need to use I, and with I we always use was. क्या वह अमीर था? Was he or she rich? You can use he or she because here the subject is not clear that that subject is a girl or a boy. क्या वह स्कूल में थे? Were they in the school? because they is a plural, we use were. According to the rule, we need to use were or was in the starting of the sentence. Well, the rule for negative interrogative is as same as in interrogative, but you just need to put not after the subject. See the example. क्या हमारा घर पास नहीं था? Was our house not near? Here you can see that I use not after the subject our house, and we use was in the starting because our house is a singular subject, and at the end we use question mark. And you can see other examples also. क्या मैं भूखा नहीं था? Was I not hungry? क्या वह अमीर नहीं था? Was he or she not rich? क्या वे स्कूल में नहीं थे? Because it's plural, we use were. Were they not in the school? And I use not after the subject they. And you can also make all these sentences with WH family. All these interrogative as well as negative interrogative sentences with WH family. You can see the rule. I put WH in the starting of the rule. And you can see the last example on your screen. वह स्कूल में क्यों नहीं थे? Why? क्यों means why. Why were they not in the school? And you can make all these sentences, many other sentences with these WH family. Why, whose, who, when, what, where, which, how. Thank you all for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can find the link in the description box below. And if you are interested to watch my previous videos, click on the I button on your screen. And in my upcoming videos, we will discuss the future simple sentences. Thank you.